Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the door handle on a BMW X5 E53. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a T20 Torx driver, a plastic trim removal tool, and of course, your new replacement door handle. Make sure you are working in a well-lit area to clearly see all the components and fasteners. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Next, we will focus on the interior. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. Once that is removed, you will find two T20 Torx screws. Unscrew these fasteners. Now, using your plastic trim removal tool, gently work your way around the edges of the door panel to detach it. Be mindful of any wiring harnesses connected to the panel. Now let's move to the exterior handle. On the door's edge near the latch mechanism, locate a T20 Torx screw. Loosen this screw but do not remove it completely. With the screw loosened, pull the exterior handle out slightly from the door. This will allow you to access and disconnect the cable mechanism attached to the handle. Once disconnected, carefully slide the entire handle assembly out. To install your new handle, reverse the removal process. Connect the new handle's cable, then slide the handle assembly into its mounting position. Tighten the T20 Torx screw on the door's edge. Reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips engage properly and reconnect any wiring. Finally, secure the two T20 Torx screws and replace the small trim piece. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.